This grinder has cast metal construction and a small footprint and offers a high daily capacity of 5 pounds per day plus an intuitive control panel. With 3 programmable settings for repeatable dosing, included with every Forte are a shut-off hopper, a burr removal tool for easy cleaning, and a simple burr calibration tool for quick calibration. The Forte BG comes with ceramic burrs and has 10 macro, 26 micro settings for 260 steps of adjustment for any style of coffee. The built-in electronic scale for accurate grind weights is a win-win for efficiency on the brew bar. Never take up time pre-dosing little jars of coffee again. Designed as a commercial solution to multi-offering pour-over bars, the Forte BG is a feature-forward, high-capacity, near-bulletproof grinder. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-performance grinding. All-purpose, 260 grind settings. 54mm professional steel flat burrs provide high throughput and maintain sharpness. Engineered to produce an accurate and precise grind with a high grinding capacity of up to 5 pounds a day. Perfect for dialing in espresso and all brewing styles. Good fit as a single origin or decaf espresso coffee grinder. The shut-off hopper allows for mess-free, easy removal of the hopper to switch between beans. Number 2. Transform workflow experience. Built-in digital scale for accurate weight-based grinding or digital timer with programmable buttons to save up to 3 different presets for repeatable, one-touch grinding. The shut-off hopper allows for mess-free, easy removal of the hopper to switch between beans. Number 3. Stylish. A polished metal body gives this grinder a bold image that makes a statement on your coffee bar while taking up very little space. Number 4. Warranty. Quality parts. Engineered with 54mm professional steel flat burrs by Ditting in Germany, plus a powerful DC motor. This combination creates a consistent grind and durability, ensuring the longevity users have come to expect from the Baratza brand. The Forte BG is backed by Baratza's world-class support and a 1-year warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.